Hello friends, and welcome to my 2020 Christmas home tour. Buddy and Little Bear are here to greet you, and as soon as you enter the door, you will step into our living room where I have the fireplace roaring. It just makes it so cozy and warm in here. I wanted to show you this lamp that I just found at HomeGoods. It is so beautiful, and the crystals are glass. It is so nice. I actually looked it up and found the same lamp at Z Gallery for $700, and I got such a great deal on this. This is my little credenza, and I have it decorated with my beautiful vintage bust and the Studio McGee bowl of crystals that I have collected sitting on top of my Tom Ford book. I also put my new horse sculpture up there that is a dupe for restoration hardware piece. I just love finding really great dupes at HomeGoods. That is just so exciting to me. I love this tree that I have in my living room so much. You can see that some of the lights went out on it already, so I'm not sure what I will do about that next year. That is always just so hard to figure out how to fix. But I do have some pampas grass up here in the tree topper. Everything is just a neutral, pearly white, silver and gold. It is just so classy and beautiful and luxurious. And I just have it tucked between my beautiful mirror and this amazing balloon chair. I love this chair so much. It kind of feels like Santa's chair just tucked into this Christmas tree. I love my pearly white presents that I have for decor under the tree and my little birchwood candles. This is one of my favorite views in the house, just sitting on the couch looking at the fireplace and the Christmas tree. I adore these stockings I got from Crate and Barrel. They are just so big and cozy looking. They are my favorite. After a quick peek at our kitchen, on our way over to the dining area where I have the table set in gold. I just love this table runner that I got from HomeGoods. It has this beautiful gold stitching and velvet poinsettia. Actually, almost everything on the table is from HomeGoods. I just wanted a very elegant neutral setting, and I think it turned out beautifully. Now we are going to step into my kitchen that is just bright and white, and I have added quite a few festive touches like these glass trees on the island, and I filled this silver sleigh up with lots of goodies. I'm sure you can already tell that I just love mugs. I love to get out my Christmas mugs, and I just found these cute Mickey and Minnie mug toppers at the antique store that someone made. I thought they would be perfect for my Mr. and Mrs. Claus mugs. And then I just have some jingle bells and a few little Christmas tree touches, and of course, more Christmas mugs. I am super excited to take you through my Butler's pantry because this is the first time that you will be seeing my new shelves that we had made with the wine racks that go on each side of the microwave. I am so in love with them. A while back we redid our kitchen and the microwave was above our stove, so I wanted to take it down because my husband bought me this beautiful range hood and we decided to mount the microwave in here above the sink. And you may notice something about the sink, that there is no faucet. I still haven't picked one out, so we haven't even got to use this beautiful new farmhouse sink that we have installed. I've been having a hard time finding one that I like that will fit underneath the cabinets, but I am just so excited to finally have these shelves installed. Now I have a place to store my wine bottles and my wine glasses. And over here I have this hutch filled with my little Santa collection and some Rae Dunn. And as much as I love mugs, I found these cute little mug Christmas ornaments and I had to snag them up to put on this little tree. So now we are going down into our family room, and this is where our big tree is, where we open all of our presents. So I wanted the tree to be bright and fun. The rest of the room I just kept pretty simple with some garland on the mantle and just a few other touches. The Christmas tree is really the star of the show. Of course, this is where we hang out if we are going to watch a movie or something, so there are cozy throws everywhere. I put these knit cozy green pillows and the Sherpa pillows on the couch for the holidays, and I threw a few ornaments into these glass containers. I will say that I had such a hard time finding stockings this year. I bought so many of them and then just kept returning them because I wasn't happy with any of them. And then I just settled on some plain white fur stockings. And then I found this cute white fur bow at Michael's, and I thought I would just put it right in the middle, and they just matched perfectly. I actually wanted to have some stocking tags made, so I found these ceramic ornaments at Walmart for like $2 or $3, and they're just so cute. I thought that I could paint or write our names on them. I haven't actually done that yet, but I think they are cute the way they are anyway. hard time picking out my Christmas tree for this room this year. If you watched my other videos, you would know that I needed a new tree and I couldn't decide whether to get a flock tree or a green tree, and I really wanted to try a green tree, and I am so happy that that is what I picked. I love this tree with 3,000 lights so much. It is just so magical, and I already have lots of presents wrapped and ready under the tree. I chose this white with red polka dot Martha Stewart wrapping paper with red bows. I just think it looks so fun and whimsical. And speaking of fun and whimsical, I put my vintage rocking horse that I found at an antique store by my tree again this year. I didn't know what I was going to do with it when I bought it, but I just thought it would be so cute under the Christmas tree. It's just a perfect place for it. It adds a bit of fun with the teddy bear and the rocking horse by the tree. I went a little overboard stuffing the tree with everything I could find. I just couldn't stop. I just wanted it to look like a crazy department store Christmas tree overflowing with everything. Now this is one of the Christmas trees in my boys' room. I got them both 6-foot green trees from Walmart with multicolored lights, and we decorated them with a fun elf theme and put some fun things under the tree. I love these Ray Dunn stack of presents and these super cute giant ornaments that I also found at Walmart. And then here is the other tree in my other boys' room, also with the same elf theme. Now, of course, this is my bedroom. It is all white and it kind of has a snowflake theme in here. I just love these beautiful snowflake pillows that are on my bed. I put a little flocked garland up on top of my headboard with some twinkle lights, and it is just so cozy to turn on at night. I did add this new beautiful piece of art to the wall next to the bed. I decorated another 6-foot tree in my bedroom with an icy snowflake theme. Finally, we will enter my closet where I have my seventh decorated Christmas tree. It is a pink flocked tree that I got at Big Lots. It is so amazing, and I just decorated it with some fun ornaments, a lot of Disney themed ornaments. I put some of my Disney ears on the tree, and I put little Christmas hooks on the back of some of my Disney pins and used them as ornaments. And there's just a lot of pink in here in my closet. I live in a house with all boys, so this is kind of like my little she shed. I have my vanity in here, and this is where I get ready, and I really just love to sit in here a lot. that is it for my Christmas home tour. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and I wish you an amazing new year filled with good health and happiness. After 2020, we all definitely need it. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I would love if you would hit that subscribe button and be a part of this channel. I hope to make lots more videos for you guys in the coming year, so I would love for you to stick around for that. And don't forget to hit that like button, and I would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!